forget about the moments we tried, we cried, or we laughed. There's a good chance our paths will eventually meet up somehow.